Hey guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Gadgets. Today we are talking about the Yamaha 76-key Flagship Arranger Keyboard GENOS2 with advanced voice and style library, chord looper, and 9-inch touchscreen. This keyboard is designed for professional musicians, performers, and music producers who want a high-end arranger workstation with powerful sound design and live performance capabilities. It comes with a 76-key layout that provides a comfortable playing range for both studio work and stage performances. One of the biggest highlights is the upgraded sound engine, which delivers highly realistic instrument voices and dynamic expression. The extensive voice and style library gives you access to a wide range of sounds including pianos, strings, drums, and world instruments, making it suitable for multiple music genres. The chord looper feature is another strong advantage because it allows you to record and loop chord progressions in real time. This is especially useful for live performances and songwriting as it frees your hands to focus on melodies and improvisation. The 9-inch touchscreen display makes navigation smooth and intuitive. You can easily control sounds, styles, effects, and settings without complex button combinations, making it user-friendly even with its advanced features. The arranger functionality helps create full backing tracks automatically based on your playing, giving a complete band-like experience for solo performers. It is ideal for stage artists who want a rich and layered sound without needing additional musicians. Overall, the Yamaha GENOS2 is a flagship arranger keyboard that combines professional sound quality, powerful performance tools, and an intuitive interface, making it one of the best choices for serious musicians and live performers. Thank you. See you in next video.